Lithonia Lighting HGX LED HomeGuard LED Outdoor Security In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 72 ratings and 9 reviews. 87% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 10% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Very bright exterior lights, easy to install. I have replaced all of our exterior double-headed floodlights with these lights. The profile is much smaller and less noticeable. The lighting is superb with a 3000-degree K color level that brings a daylight feel to nighttime lighting. The housing is well made and has several features to increase the degree of resistance to water infiltration. Overall, I am very pleased with the lights." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Water inside unit. They seem to get water inside pretty easy even if installation instructions are followed. That's it.